I am Rodin Semple, ISO lead consultant at ACI Consulting Services, providing you with quality tips and improvements to help you to become competitive. We will examine the role of standards in international and multilateral trading agreements. First of all, we must establish what are standards. So standards basically are documents which are developed by consensus. It's not that it's forced on companies. It is formed amongst what we call standard development experts. And in the context I'm speaking, we're talking about ISO, International Organization for Standardization. They work with a number of international license organizations such as the International Telecommunications and other organizations such as CASCO, which is the Conformity Assessment Committee. So these standards are developed to help you to compete. So when we're talking about international trade and multilateral trading agreements, the only way a product can enter into a market is if there's confidence. And we cannot rely on because I know you, because I know this company has been operating many years. So what standards basically do in the multilateral and international trading arena? They help you to get access. Yes, when we talk about access, we're talking about getting into those markets that are very lucrative, and those markets where you can benefit, countries can benefit from markets where prices are guaranteed because you have ISO certification. Multilateral trading agreements, as well as international trade, need confidence in those products and services. So if we are manufacturing, let's say, cars, how would we assure that those cars are being manufactured to specific criteria and whether or not they're safe? ISO standards can help. So the ISO standards, based upon the company and their scope, can allow them to expand. That guarantees we call acceptance. There's no need for you to do re-inspection and inspection. Another area that standards help is in assuring the health and safety. Yes, health and safety. We're living in a day where persons require a level of safety to be implemented, but how can you assure safety? International standards like the ISO 45001, which relates to organizations and how they can implement it, can assure that steps are being taken to minimize those hazards. So in general, international standards help to assure access. It also helps to guarantee confidence in products and services and guarantees health and safety. For further information on how standards can benefit you, give us a call on telephone number 501-0110 or send an email at iso@actioninvest.org.